I forgot the intro. This, as you can see, I've been grinding a lot, and okay, that's a lot of cookies. Give me them cookies. Get the factory. I'm gonna try and get to every. Oh, these don't count because they're already at 1 billion. Let's get to for now. Let's get it. All right. Let's get tapping. So, how was your day? Good? Yeah, so, because right now I'm just pressing a cookie until it breaks. You can move the cookie. Ooh, that's useless. Get that. Okay. Okay, you can calm down, Jesus Christ, calm down. I'm getting tired of clicking this cookie so many times. There's so many cookies. Dun 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 dun. My phone is so close to my face right now. And I'm tapping so hard. I wish there was a way to auto tap on phone. They're all at 1 billion. Oh, there you go. I can't bite the cookie. Didn't eat anything, that's why I'm hungry. I just woke up and I'm just making a video already. So, what's your favorite type of cookie? Oreos, chocolate chip, chocolate covered, white chocolate, peanut butter, or just plain, or other. There's any, or oatmeal raisin. That's an option. Or ones with nuts. Any cookie, any cookie you desire. Oh my! I'm just gonna stay idle for a sec. Okay, I'm just gonna stay idle. Already at 2 billion. Ding dong ding. This is gonna end up like that. The thousands, hundreds, tens, and single digit numbers are no more. Because this is what we have now. I just can't wait to get till I get 1 trillion. Cookies! Attack my cookie brethren! What's ascend? You'll lose your progress and start from scratch. You know what? Let's do it. Goodbye, Cookie. Rebirthed. Let's go back, Sid. Oh, the old days. Tell me, should have I rebirthed or not? When we get, let's get 100. Now we can get grandma. These are the old days. Yeah, I still have all the achievements I got. That's good. Good. Can tap, tap, tap. These bring me back to the old days. Okay. What did the heavenly chip even do? These were the old days of Cookie Clicker. Don't worry, we're gonna get the triple circle. That just happened. One sec. I'm back just getting my mom charger. There we go. Now we can get more grandmas. And we're back to Cookie Clicker. I can't believe I just rebirthed. Oops. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted for that. That's an obvious situation. Don't ask! Let's see the... You can tell I already played the game. What the? Sacrifice. Oblivion. From scratch. Okay. Just... This is taking a while. I'm gonna get back to grinding after this video because you can tell I have stopped. can get the farm after this. We should have enough. Now it's going fast. I'm just gonna stay idle for a while until I get 1,000. Huh? Oh, right. Got about this. Ding dong. Oh, 4. Oh, we got 4 now. Now we can get the shrine. What did that even do? What does this do? Unlocks my percentage level. Oh, I think I can. Heavenly Bakery. I need the Heavenly Bakery so far. 100,000. Sorry, it's just beeping noises outside. I need a bunch of grandmas so I can get back to where I was. Please bring me back. Ah, yes, this is back where I was. I'm getting so already so close for the first circle. This is gonna take a while, guys. News, you're working fine. You're free boards. Glee for journalists. News. Pat Puffin's dangerous fat juicy new market. Your cookies now have their own website. Who cares about all? I don't care, buckaroo. I'm not talking a lot, am I? Hold on, I'm just getting my pillow. Upgrades. There you go. Start tapping, everybody. Love you, Dad.
Mommy don't build those.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna go to the city.
Okay.
But I still gonna buy you apple.
Okay.
It's okay.
That's okay. Mozzarella sticks? No! This is gonna take a while, guys. This is taking a while. I can just stay idle. I just forgot. Forgot to just stay idle, but I wanted to go quicker. I could get grandma's, but that would waste some of my money. Some of my cookies I need. Oh yeah. We almost have 111,000. Come on. 2 more. And we're there. We back. We are back, boys. Love you, Dad.
Nasaan yung pita? Ha?
This has been going on for 21 minutes. I think we should
Ano
get
ito nun?
into the
Ano katulong?
so.
Parang ano? Ha? Okay.
This is gonna be a while.
Ano?
This is taking a long time. You guys are probably bored by now. I can tell. I mean, my videos aren't that good, any good. And are no good. Aren't good. I mean, what can I expect? I'm a low YouTuber. Cookie based roulette? What the hell? My legs hurt. Alright. About setting. I'm just getting very bored. You can tell I'm also getting bored. I feel like I should stop the video now, but I don't. I'm just gonna. Rise my cookie arm. That was not enough for my first circle. For my fourth circle, technically. 14,000. It should be easy. In 3, 2, 1. There we go. We now have our first, or another, our fourth circle. Time flies. This is taking a long time, guys. So how's your day? Because right now, I'm just tapping a cookie all day. Oh. Yes. Yes, this is what I've been waiting for, boys. We got this! Woo! Yeah, it's already 30 minutes. View percentage. No. I'm not sending. We're already getting back to our spot. This is taking a long time. I'm so hungry. It is taking a surprisingly long time. I'm gonna make chicken nuggets in the meantime. I'm too tired. Actually, hold on. I think I brought. Yeah, you brought spaghetti. Hold on, ASMR. I don't know why, I just find that pretty good. Okay, I'm done.